Hey hi, I am Jim. I am a businessman. My business is expanding, but my profits are stagnant. Overheads are increasing. Team and task management is challenging. Organizing daily activities are troublesome. So I started running faster and faster to reach everywhere at the same moment of time, trying to cover all my work. But that's not going to work. By doing this, I lost much of my precious time, energy and money, which I could have used more effectively in other areas of my business, like improving sales, customer service, focusing on strategic plans. What I need is an effective solution. In short, I need a business buddy. And then, I discovered a wild business solution. EdifyBiz, my all-round biz buddy, which understands me and my business. That streamlines my everyday processes quick and easy. EdifyBiz helped me to re-engineer my business towards automation, cost-cutting, improved sales and service, increasing profits, and most importantly, gave me my life back. EdifyBiz is an affordable solution, and I achieved efficiency, productivity, accountability and responsibility throughout my organization. I no longer need to worry about contact management, lead management, document management, Salesforce, managing invoices and customer support. Basically, work no longer controls me, but I control the work. I am the boss, it's all up to me. With EdifyBiz, team management got organized and can work anytime, from anywhere, and on any device, reaching new heights in business and life. Isn't that awesome? Take a tour of www.edifybiz.com and try a free demo today. EdifyBiz, a complete business solution. Streamline and grow your business now. EdifyBiz, your biz buddy.